because Senator Subiri and Senator JV said that they are independent, but same with Senator Pia and I, we started out independent, and then Senator Subiri asked us if for the purposes of we can join the majority. So it's their choice if they remain minority or they join the majority, or if you can get 2 more members, then you will be the new majority.
Yes, Mr. President. Mr. President, may I?
Of course. Former Senate President Zubiri.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. I would like to be associated with the minority bloc, Mr. President, if I may. Binatigos nga ako nila, sabi nila na ako ay nag-fence sitting at nag-abstain. Nag-abstain lang ako para have a free hand to vote on which issue that I think is important for the Filipino people. But when it comes to the organization, I would like to associate myself with the minority, Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Subiri. Yes. So, Senator Ejercito would also like to manifest.
Yes, first of all, Mr. President, I'd like to thank Mr. President for the trust and honor that I was offered to become the majority leader. But as I have mentioned to you personally, that as of this time, I would rather maintain my independence, and with what is happening all over, I think I'll be able to perform my tasks very well and my pet programs very well as an independent. But again, nonetheless, Mr. President, I would like to thank you for the trust and confidence. Being majority leader is a very, of course, it's one of the most powerful, we would say, position in the Senate. But I guess I have, at this point, I would like to maintain my independence.
Yes. And I also understand. I also recognize that you will say that you will be our number 14, but until the time that we vote, any member, we have to respect their decision and always ascribe good faith. So we will continue to be good friends despite the political divisions or the nomenclature of who is in the majority or the minority. So for the purposes of today to the future, and unless a change is made, will you be an independent or will you be with the minority?
Yes, for now, Mr. President, I'll be with the minority.
Okay.
But again, I would like to thank you for that and for the respect, and we will all still be friends no matter what. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you,
President.
Senator Ejercito. So the Secretariat has that noted, and we can now compute the membership at a 13-11 proportion, so that we do not, we're not accused of any delay.
Sa ngayon ay nakasuspindi pa ang sesyon sa Senado at hinihintay natin ang pag-convene ng impeachment court. Kasalukuyan nating nakikita nagsusuot na ng kanilang robe ang ilang mga senador, kabilang na si Senator Panfilo Lacson. Sa ngayon ay nag-uusap si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano at ang leader ng minority na si Senator Tito Soto. Kanina ay nag-manifest din itong si Senator Zubiri na nais niyang ma-identify bilang bahagi ng minority. Papasok po sa ating linya ngayon si Maris Umali para maghatid sa atin ng latest update kaugnay sa mga kaganapan ngayon sa Senado. Maris?
Hi Bernadette, kasalukuyang nakasuspend ngayon ang sesyon dito sa Senado matapos ng magpahayag na ng paglipat sa minority itong si Senador J.V. Ejercito at Senador Mig Zubiri at sila po ay nag-suspend na para mag-convene na ang Senado bilang impeachment court. Kanina bago mangyari ang suspension ay in-refer na o in-endorse na itong articles of impeachment sa Senado at pagkatapos nga po noon, binanggit po ito ng majority leader na si Senator Joel Villanueva ay nagpahayag naman ng kanilang kagustuhan na pumanig sa minority itong sina Senador J.V. Ejercito at Senador Mig Zubiri. At bago nito, Bernadette, ay nagkaroon ng usap-usapan na baka magkaroon na naman ng panibagong pagbabago sa liderato ng Senado dahil mukhang nag-iipon ng mga puwersa, yung minority at nakita nga natin na nagkaroon pa ng pagpupulong sa opisina ni Senador Tito Soto, ang dating Senate President, kaninang tanghali hanggang umabot na po yan. Actually, pasado tanghali hanggang umabot na mag-alas 3 bago sila pumunta sa sesyon. At kabilang nga sa mga nakita natin na pumunta sa pagpupulong na yon, sina Senator Win Gatchalian, Senator Erwin Tulfo, Senator Mig Zubiri, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Senator Riza Ontiveros, Senator Bam Aquino, Senator Raffy Tulfo, Senator Lito Lapid, Senator, of course, nandun si Senator Tito Soto, Senator Sing Lacson at Senator J.V. Ejercito. So, nasa 11 sila, Kaya kanina medyo talagang nag-aabangan lahat dahil merong mga bali-balita na kesyo makakakuha sila ng 14 na boto para makuha ulit yung majority. Pero obviously, sa nangyari ngayon ay nasa 11 yung minority at nananatiling 13 yung majority. At sa ngayon ay magpapatuloy itong impeachment court under the leadership of the Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano.